Ethereum. Everything from down here is bullish. Selling climax, spring, phase C, LPS, the jump across the creek, the testing action, the backup, higher level of testing. Look at the momentum coming to the market here. We form another trading range. Look, we break up on above. We can buy down here. Another trading range that comes back to test. You remember I said a few weeks ago about how clean Ethereum really is in terms of trading, how the structure. I mean, hopefully you can see this. And then we find momentum going through yesterday's high. Look at the volatility. Then we come back to test here. A lack of volatility. Price contracts. But then we rally. And what do you notice of the buying here? So that's buying one. That's buying two. This is buying three. It does deplete dramatically, doesn't it? And then we get to what we over here, everyone. We are oversold. And that's a good bar. That's a valid break, but it does take us into an overbought condition, sorry. And then we come back to support. And what happens? What happens? What have we been doing, as I've just highlighted, all of the time? We've been breaking through resistance levels and supports have been holding. Now we break through a resistance level into a climatic condition, which is overbought, and now supports are failing. We come to another support, inability to rally. We can't even get to this resistance, and we fail. We come down here, we have another one. We can't test here, and we fail. This level breaks down. Now we come to yesterday's high, and what happens? We fail. Oh. What are your thoughts here? What am I alluding to? Yeah, bearish. Isn't it fascinating? We have all of this context to work with here. All of this beautiful uptrend, classic Wyckoffean dynamics. Then right here, the climactic bar, overbought conditions. Right from this bar, everything changes. All the bullish picture has now washed away. And everything is now been negative. Resistance levels are holding and supports are breaking. We come to a huge major daily level where we see this kind of momentum buying, and then which is tested. Look at the buying we met with. What do you think of the analog of 1 to 2? Ridiculous, isn't it? Yep. And now this doesn't even test resistance and we fail. So suffice to say, I'm bearish. Does anybody have any questions thus far? But hopefully you guys can really see how readable Ethereum truly is. Beautiful.